This is the motor mount. This one is on the passenger side. I'm going to remove it because my neighbor shamed me into ordering new ones, which will be in Tuesday. I'm going to remove the motor mount with my hand, and you should be able to see it. I've already broke the motor mount free. Can I get more light up there? There we go. Free with the impact gun. This is a 5/8 bolt. Okay, there's one. This is a 5/8 bolt. Okay, I'm going to have to use two hands. All right, I'm going to try, and hopefully you can see that well enough. Here is the motor mount. This is OEM. And I also wanted to clear it because I'm going to build a crate that's going to hold this in place. I need to clean these bolts after I get the other two off, which I'm going to do off camera. Hope you enjoyed it. And thumbs up, whichever way up is.